Unlock this some expert from Japan.
ただの会話の中で感染が広がっているとか、ある程度の距離があってもそれが広がっているような、そういった事例を見ると、通常の飛沫感染だけでは説明できない、非常に小さな粒子ということで、マイクロメーターの粒子、マイクロ飛沫感染とも呼べるような、そういった状況が起きたんじゃないかなというふうに考えられます。
So how does this take place? Any of case conducting an experiment with equipment resources. The team will track the particles in the air using lasering the higher sensitivity camera. This technology allows us to detect droplets as small as 0.1 micrometer wide. And the experiment starts. First, sneezing. We can see a large droplets about 1 millimeter in diameter. It quickly falls. But let's look to the higher sensitivity camera. We can see small particles that seems glitter floating to the air. These particles are all smaller than 10 micrometer or 100 millimeter in diameter. Now let's take a look at from the different angle. These are small and light. You can see drifting through the air. These are micro-droplets. We are learning that sneezing isn't the only source of these droplets.
バナナボートとか乗ったら楽しいですよ。
いや絶対楽しい、ね、
めちゃくちゃ楽しい。
We ran the same experiment on a close-range conversation. People generate a lot of micro-droplets when they talk loudly. The droplets between these two stay where you are. They don't drop away. It's not yet known what volume of microdroplets lead to infection. But these experts say we can rule out the possibility that microdroplets have spread the virus to some extent.
そのマイクロ飛沫、小さな粒子の中にもたくさんのですね、生きたウイルスがいて、大きな声での会話、あるいは激しい息遣い、そういった中でですね、このマイクロ飛沫ができて、それが近くの人、その人が吸い込むことによって感染が広がる、そういったリスクが見えてきたものと思います。
The risk of COVID-19 where microdroplets becomes even greater in a closed space but for ventilation. This lab is simulation the movement of microdroplets in an air-type room. About 10 people in a closed space, the size of a classroom. A person caps 1 and is spread about 100,000 droplets. Large droplets are shown in blue and green. Most of these fall to the ground within 1 minute. But microdroplets shown in red continue to drip. This simulation uses only microdroplets. 5 minutes later. 10 minutes later. "20 minutes later, the microdroplets are still floating in place."
空気がよどんでいると、つまり空気の流れがないということで、
マイクロ飛沫そのものは、落ちたり、違う場所に動くことはできませんので、長時間その場所にとどまるっていうことになります。
But there is a way to prevent the stagnation of micro-droplets. Opening a window and increasing air circulation is believed to be effective. When you open a window, micro-droplets are quickly swept away. They are small and light, so any airflow will get with them.
できればですね、2箇所開けて風の流れを作ってあげるということが大事。それが1時間に1回でもいいから、そういうようなことをやることによって感染のリスクというのはかなり下げることができるようになるんじゃないかなというふうに思います。